Hi everyone, my name is Ignacio. Preferably I go by Iggy. And for this video purposes, I'm going to talk about the agency and my field placement. So the agency type that my field placement is going to be taking place in is an agency that deals with substance abuse, mental health disorders, mental health diagnosis, as well as homelessness, trauma, and focuses on really, I guess, like the ACT team services for these participants. Um, what I expect to get from this field, I really expect to get a lot of well-rounded knowledge dealing with a couple of the different things that are going on here, such as the substance abuse aspect, the homelessness aspect, as well as the mental health diagnoses that the clients will be um, coming in with. What I'm really excited about is to really be part of this field and really work with these clients at a different level than what I'm used to. I'm going to be partner up with a couple of the master level clinicians, and I'll really be seeing some of what they do in their day to day basis versus what I do in my day to day basis. Um, Concerns, I don't really have any concerns yet. I'm feeling pretty confident, pretty comfortable with what I'm going to be doing. And then, as far as what I plan to do in order to manage some of my excitement, some of my concerns, when they do show up, will be to work with my field placement instructor as well as my supervisor in the field as well to kind of discuss and come up with solutions as well as different just different skills to deal with what's popping up. Well, that's all. Thanks.